Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. So in today's video, we are here to check on a brand which produces such sustainable products and are a brand which believes in zero waste and ethical practices. So this is the product that I have got from Anima Essentials. The brand was Anima Essentials, and you can see this is the shampoo bar. This is the shampoo bar. The variant is charcoal lemongrass. This retails for rupees 299 and this is a 100-gram bar. So without any further delay, let's just dive into the video and review the products. I'll share a timeline with you guys here so that you can jump into the parts of the video which you are interested in, or you can watch the entire video and enjoy it. Let's get started. So let's get started with the brand introduction. Anima Essentials is a brand with a group of professionals dedicated towards building innovative, smart and easy online shopping solutions for us. Not just they are made in India, all the ingredients are sourced from India. Their products are 100% toxin free. They believe in the concept of zero waste and practices 100% fair trade. Not just that, their brand is paraben free, silicone free, mineral oils free, 100% vegan, they're cruelty free and they are SLS free. For those who doesn't know what SLS is, SLS stands for sodium lauryl sulfate, which is basically a surfactant ingredient and traps the oil-based dirt particles so that they can be washed away with water. Some researches show that SLS can be used in products which can be washed off from the skin. They are not on the skin for long term. But on the same page, some earlier researches show that this is a possible cause for cancer. I would say that it's better to stay away from products which has ingredients which can cause damage to your skin on the long run. Shampoos, soaps, toothpaste are things which we use on a daily basis. Thanks to a brand like Anima Essentials who are coming up with more sustainable products and are giving credit to all these facts, plus their concept is more based on a research-based product concept. So let's move to the next part of the video, which is ingredients. I received these two bars. This is the lemongrass variant and this is coffee vanilla, Arabica coffee vanilla, and I have been using this for almost 2-3 days now. So I am going to be reviewing this product and share my views on it, and we'll be discussing the ingredients of this product. So as you can see, all the ingredients are listed in the packaging. They come in a packaging like this, which is a cling wrap, if I'm not wrong, and this is something which I didn't like. This is not sustainable, this is not biodegradable even. So this is something I wish the brand would have given more effort to. Anyways, let's come back to the ingredients. So the first ingredient in the list is coffee Arabica. Coffee, specifically caffeine, is a great ingredient for your hair as it helps in improving the texture and appearance of your hair in a few different ways. First being, it restores the hair growth. Second, promotes softer and shinier hair. Third, naturally gets rid of grey hair. Hair follicle damage occurs both in men and women due to the presence of a hormone called dihydrotestosterone. If the level of this hormone, which is DHT, increases in your body, it leads to the damage of the hair follicle and eventually balding. Caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. Since caffeine is a stimulant, it helps in promoting blood circulation in the hair follicles, which helps hair grow faster and appear more thicker and fuller. As we all know, coffee is dark in color. It acts as a stain on the hair. This is a quick fix for hiding grey hair for those who have brown or black hair. Next ingredient on the list is saponified olive oil. Saponification is the process of converting oil into soap with the help of a chemical called sodium hydroxide, which is commonly known as LYE. Many natural soap bars contain olive oil as a base ingredient due to its highly nourishing and moisturizing properties. Saponified olive oil is considered to be the best treatment for dry skin due to its moisturizing properties, which helps to soften the skin, hold moisture and nourishes the skin without interfering with the normal skin functions. Virgin hair is negatively charged and the pH is around 3.5. Saponified olive oil is considered suitable for dry skin or sensitive skin due to its lower pH value than most of the other mainstream soaps or bars, which are usually made of SLS, petroleum oils or animal fats. Olive oil soaps are considered to be the most mild of all soaps. Next ingredient in the shampoo bar is cetyl and citral alcohol. Okay, so researchers shows that not all alcohols are made equal. Some alcohols can be very drying to our delicate hair. For instance, isopropyl alcohol, which is mostly found in hairsprays and gels, tend to dry up on your hair faster. Constant use of these products can leave your hair very dry, frizzy and dull. On the other hand, other alcohols help with moisturizing and manageability of our hair. This shampoo bar from Anima Essentials contains two of the most common fatty alcohols used in hair products. These are called cetyl and citral alcohol. These particular alcohols are emollients which are known to soften your skin and hair texture. They also provide the necessary slip for our hair so that we can detangle them easily. I'll provide a list of alcohols in the description box below which are healthy for your skin and hair and the ones which you should avoid. Do not forget to check that after completing the video. Moving to the next ingredient, which is vanilla essential oil. The benefits of vanilla are not just confined to flavoring your favorite dessert. The pleasant aroma of vanilla calms stresses, refreshes your mind and revitalizes your energy. If you suffer from split ends or hair loss, vanilla as an essential oil can strengthen the hair and induce the blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Last ingredient on the list is vitamin E. Vitamin E helps to support healthy scalp and hair as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist with maintaining hair growth. These antioxidant properties can help to reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that causes the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. These focus on the idea that it can reduce cell damage and promote hair growth. Moving to the next part of the video, which is how to use the product. You need to wet your hair without starting the procedure. Step 2. Gently massage the shampoo bar on your scalp in circular motion. Due to the special shape of the shampoo bar, it is very easy to get down to the scalp and it helps you to remove the dirt and gunk in a better way. Step 3. Massage your scalp with your finger for a deeper penetration and cleansing. These shampoo bars have small scrubbing particles which really goes down to the scalp and removes all the dirt and gunk present on the scalp. Step 4, which is very important, to wash your hair with cold water. Warm water always promotes the growth of dandruff on your hair. Step 5, which is not necessary, I usually do it because it takes a long time for my hair to dry. I blow dry my hair on the opposite direction in which I am going to keep the hair so that to get a good amount of volume. I was super excited to use this product because the concept of a shampoo bar was very new to me, and I'm really thankful to Anima Essentials for sending me these amazing shampoo bars. One thing which I didn't like about it, as I've mentioned earlier also, the cling wrap. The plastic covering, I don't really like it, and for me, I don't understand the use of this. Rather, cardboard box would have done a better job. Things I really like about this shampoo bar is, I thought this is not going to lather, but as you can see in the video, this lathered like a normal soap and had a lot of foam on my head. I really liked the small scrubbing granules in it, which actually helped me to get rid of all the gunk and dirt which was sitting on my scalp, and it also the shape also helped me to get rid of the dandruff. Overall, I really like the product. I really love the concept of not having a plastic jar of shampoo which you have to buy almost every second or third week. So a very great initiative. Thank you for coming up with such an amazing product. Do let me know in the comment box below if you have used this product and if you want to use this product. Share it if you like it. Thank you so much. Mwah.